Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we are getting ready to make taco stuffed bell peppers. Oh my goodness. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, take a second and go ahead right now before we begin and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. Make sure you turn it to all so you'll always get my recipes every time I upload one. The only other thing you need to do is keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is cut our bell peppers. Now, I like to cut mine this way, sideways. The only thing you want to do is make sure what side you want it to sit it on. So rotate it around and pick the best side, and I think this one is it. So I'm going to slice it down this way. You just slice it right down, just like that. Now, you can feel both sides. It doesn't matter. I am going to feel both sides. And then each serving, I'm doing 2, so each person will get 1. They'll get their whole pepper just like that. Then you want to go in and make sure you cut out the seeds and the membrane. There's this knife over here. You don't want the seeds. Peppers have a lot of water content. They're like 90% water. So I mean, you know, if you want to get a little extra water in, you could eat a pepper or 2 every now and then. I'm just saying. But at any rate, they have a high water content. So you want to bake them first, just for maybe about 10 minutes. And you'll probably have a pool of water in here that you want to empty out. That'll keep your mixture from not being so watery. And I'm kind of lazy today, so I got some foil in here. I'm getting ready to spray it. So I won't have to do all that clean up. Just sit them on like that. Put them in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and cook our beef mixture. Now keep in mind, you know, this is my way of doing it. If you don't like ground beef, use turkey. You don't want turkey, use chicken. You don't want meat at all, use some beans and rice. It's a taco, guys. Make it the way you want to make it. Okay, so I'm going to crumble this up. This is about a ½ pound ground beef because I'm only making 2 whole peppers. While this is browning, we're going to go ahead and go in with a small onion. We're going to go in with our house taco seasoning. Now, this is my taco seasoning, and I will have all the ingredients to this entire mixture in the description. All you got to do is come back, click on the video again, and drop down in the description, and you'll see every ingredient that is in this taco seasoning. So we just want to sprinkle this around. Oh my goodness, once I put that in there, it's smelling good. Now we're going to go in with some tomato paste, refried beans. You can use black beans. I typically normally use black beans, but I was out, so I'm using refried beans. Okay, now we're going to go in with some diced tomatoes. And guys, this tomato is from my garden. It is a German queen tomato, and it smells amazing all by itself. Our peppers are out of the oven, and I just want you to see they don't have that much water in them, but they do. I want to pour this out on here. Can you see that water coming out? Make sure you drain each one. You don't want your mixture to be wet. So right now we are going to fill each one of these with our mixture. Oh my goodness, it smells good. Guys, tell me in the comments, you like hard shell tacos or soft shell tacos? Now I'm going to go in with cheddar cheese as well as an Italian blend cheese. Just because I like both. You can do one, you can do the other, you can do just mozzarella. Again, it's your taco, do your thing. That's right, your taco, do your thing. We're going to stick these back in a 425-degree oven. Just until the cheese melts and gets bubbly, because we have already pre-baked our bell peppers. And my oven says it's ready, if you heard that beep. And so we don't really need to cook anything. All right, guys, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are out of the oven. Don't they look amazing? Oh my goodness. Okay, be careful because they are hot, hot, hot. Ooh, look at that cheese. I am topping mine off with a little sour cream right on top there, and a few scallions. Thank you so much for coming. I just wanted you all to take another closer look. Don't they look amazing? Oh my goodness. And they smell absolutely wonderful. Yes, they do. If you all like this video or got anything out of it, please share it out. Tell everybody you know, spread the word worldwide of what Cooking at Pam's Place is doing. And I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.